In this video, I would like to explain about data science, big data, data cleaning, artificial intelligence, etc. Data science is one of the most attractive jobs in the present data driven world. Glassdoor remarks data scientist among the topmost jobs of the year 2020. Also, in terms of job satisfaction, which is one of the essential parameters of job rankings, it ranks data scientist jobs among the hottest scores. LinkedIn, according to its report on emerging jobs, has maintained data scientist jobs in the top position for continuous 3 years running. Nonetheless, it is comparatively new job in the market. The term itself, data science, is no more unheard of by most of us, though we may not be fully in terms with what it really means. Data science. In simple words, in a world that is continuously bombarded with astronomical data of all kinds, data science makes sure that the huge incoming data is properly and efficiently made to use to give maximum profit to the intended business or industry. Data science structures the source data, models it, and streamlines its flow to a proper destination. As a matter of fact, data science may be a nascent term. Its origin is old and branches out from an amalgam of probability, statistics, mathematics, programming, and data analysis. Before furthering on this topic, let us briefly understand a couple of terms that go hand in hand with data science. Data cleaning or data cleansing. It refers to identifying the incorrect, corrupt, duplicate or irrelevant data, discarding the unwanted ones and replacing or modifying the bad data with the good ones. Data cleansing is a very important step which perhaps is the opening gambit of data science. Without a meaningful and correct data, the entire business or operation may stand factious. An example may be the head count and general biographic information of affected people during an epidemic. A rank data may lead to absolutely misleading statistics and predictions. Big data. The name itself suggests the meaning, which is nothing other than data that is big or voluminous. Big data is a humongous or so fast data that it is next to impossible to be handled by traditional methods. Hence emerges the savior, that is data science, to lead the big data story. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. In other words, the aim of artificial intelligence is to make machines or devices that perceive the environment, study different behaviors against them, form an algorithm and act in accordance with the algorithm formed by the machines. Machine learning, that is akin to artificial intelligence, is one of the widely used data science attributes that we shall see in a while. Data scientists are not rocket scientists, but they sure are one of the most sought after professionals in the job market today. This owes to the fact that the amount of data produced daily is enormous, so the demand for data scientists is very high, but their supply is way below par. This demand supply gap leads to a high pay scale of data scientists. There is an ocean of opportunity in the field of data science which is implemented across various verticals, be it healthcare, security, finance, or robotics. You name a field and data science would be a player. There is in some form or the other. Whether you are a student or a professional, you would usually never regret aiming at data science as a career option. You would understand its significance and start appreciating data science more as you read on. Who can learn data science? The good news is it is quite viable to learn data science. There are professional degrees as well as online courses to help you kickstart your tryst with it. A piece of better news is you do not need a very high educational background or degree to get eligible to learn the nonsense of data science. An undergraduate degree would suffice. Just a bit of understanding of any programming language, good analytical skills, and you are ready to tilt the learning curve. Going with the current trend, taking an online course from the comfort of your home is a great and convenient way to pitch in to this smoky hot field. If you like this video, you can uh, subscribe and you can share among your friends. Thank you.